Subject Value Education, Lesson number 9, Thanking God. A prayer brings us close to God. When we pray the God, a prayer that brings close to God. First of what is prayer? The words you use to speak to God, to thank Him, or to ask Him for help are what make a prayer. Now, here given, God has given us many things. We must thank Him every day for what He has given us. Write any three things you would like to thank God for: good health, good friends, and parents. And other things are we thank God for everything in our life. We thank God, wake up in the morning and realize God has given another day to live. We thank God for good life, etc. Read this conversation between a child and his grandmother. Here given a conversation between a child and his grandmother to know how we can thank God. Here describing how we thank God. The name of the story is Power of Prayers. Now here given Nikhil was not a very brave boy. Here given a boy named Nikhil was afraid of everything, small things. He was afraid of the dark and even of cockroaches and lizards. He was always afraid of dark and small creatures like cockroaches, lizards, etc. His grandmother scolded him. Scolded means to find fault with angry him, and very often, "You should be ashamed of yourself." She would say, "How can you be afraid of these tiny creatures?" One day Nikhil had to go from one room to another. As he was about to step out of the room, he froze. He froze means he was afraid. His grandmother was standing by the door. "What's the matter, Nikhil?" she asked with a smile. "I am a frightened Dadi," Nikhil answered. "Frightened? Frightened of what?" "Look at the lizard on the wall. I am afraid of it. It might fall on my head," Nikhil whispered in a terrified voice. Grandmother patted his head affectionately and said, "I have never heard of anyone being afraid of a lizard. Don't be afraid of it. It helps us to eat mosquitoes and controls their numbers. In fact, God has made every creature with a reason. We must thank Him for all the things around us instead of being scared of them." "How can we thank God, Dadi? We can even see Him. We cannot even see Him," said Nikhil. "Of course, we can see God. We can see Him in everything around us. We can also see Him when we pray. Prayer is when we talk to God and tell Him what we feel or want. But a prayer must come from the heart. Next time you feel scared of anything, just close your eyes and pray. You will feel that God is near you and your fear will go away." That night, Nikhil said a small prayer to feel close to God and thank Him. Then he slept peacefully with a smile on his face. He was no longer scared of the dark or cockroaches and lizards. What we learn from this story? We learn that the words you use to speak to God, to thank Him, or to ask Him for help are what makes a prayer. A prayer can take many forms. It can be said silently or about or aloud. It can be anything you wish to talk to God about. The important thing is that it should be heartfelt. Then your prayer will help you to reach God and you will feel peacefully and happily. Today we learn about prayer. To prayer is to speak to God, to tell Him what I want or feel. Heartfelt prayer will prayer will help you to reach the God.